Today I'm in Pattaya and I'm gonna visit the Sanctuary of Truth. It's the biggest wood castle and museum in the world, they say. It's very, it feels very exciting to be here and gonna look at all the handcraft they do and how it looks. So join me. And when you go down to the big wooded castle, you have to go down for some steps, and everybody have to wear a helmet here because you never know something dropping down. Now I'm down at the station where they're doing some handcraft in wood. A lot of people working here, and we go around and look a little bit what they're doing. See, it's a place, many workers do nice handcraft in wood. And if you see the tools, maybe it's not the best tools, but it's working fine for them. Maybe it's about 20 person working here with the wood, handcraft. Here you see a model of the construction for the museum. And this is the biggest wood castle or museum in the world, they say. Have you seen anything like this? It's wow. We soon go in and look inside how it looks. I think it's really nice. It's under construction also. Every time they have to repair and replace pieces. I think I read about it. It's maybe 125 years old, this building. So let's get inside and see all the handcraft in wood they have made here. Come on, let's go. So here it's a sign entrance. Oh, very beautiful here. Looks so nice. It's fantastic. See the faces up there? They also have an elevator. If you have a problem or sitting in a wheelchair or something, you can also go here and look. Oh, that's good. There's some elephants. Thai is a chang, like a deer. We also have an island here, Koo Chang. Maybe I go there. If you want to go around a small car like this, if you have problem to walk, something. And if you want, you can also try to ride with the elephants here. So, amused by that. Or there, see 4 elephants, probably 2 more here. So you can ride around here a little bit, and how it feels to be on the back of an elephant. Okay, this is the entrance. We go inside.
Okay, we're inside now. It's fantastic in here. You see all the woodwork everywhere. It's quite big, everything here. Here is reconstruction also. I think they work all the time with this building because it's a lot of jobs to do to keep it fresh. Nice picture at the window here, or what I should call it. Also, here's a nice view outside. It's a lot of statues, wood here. The god of fire is here. On the other side, it's a god of wind. God of earth. And we also have the god of water. They're also sitting here in the castle and do the handcraft. Wonder how many people working here. It's a lot of people. And even in the roof, it's a lot of handcrafted wood. Okay, go down here and look a little bit more. It's a lot of, I think it's many Chinese and Korean tourists here today. Mother Earth is here also today. Here you have to watch out with your feet because the dragon's on the floor here. Maybe they bite you, I don't know. And also inside of the Wood Castle Museum, the old king number 9, Bhumipong, is here looking at the tourists coming visiting the temple. Not the temple, the castle, I mean. Okay, I think it's time to leave for this time. We say goodbye to Sanctuary of Truth. And here is the exit behind me. So, down here.
왼쪽이는 사라지는 선입자입니다. 렉 윌리엄 바지가 이렇게 멘토입니다. 그리고 다른 여러분 처음은 부인 마이클 브라하이 윌리엄 바지.
When you go outside, you can leave your helmets here. It's just outside the museum. Oh, they're good. Cool. now we visited the wood castle here, and it's time to go home again. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please subscribe so I can let my channel grow. I'm just started it, so it's brand new, and I hope to see you again. Okay, take care out there. Bye bye. And when you're leaving here, you leave your tickets here in the basket. The ladies here help you to take it out. Okay, and then we say bye bye to them. Bye bye. ครับ